Okay, just another little report from from this first day of Collision Conference. Just saw an amazing talk with Jesse Moore of M-KOPA and Akon, being interviewed by Quartz magazine on stage, talking about the energy revolution in Africa. Akon had the sort of a revelation that, you know, building out solar and helping Africans get connected would be amazing. He was aiming for 1 million Africans connected in 2 years. They did it in 1 year. Now the initiatives he's working on with that and Akon in 16 countries, it's pretty amazing. And what I found really interesting was Jesse Moore from M-KOPA. He was talking about their systems and what they do to use normal feature phones, like just old Nokia phones and whatever, connected to the Internet of Things devices via networks, so that they could enable cheap electricity within smaller villages and across cities and across places where it was really hard to get energy before, and how they're actually getting people off of very dangerous sort of energy systems like kerosene. So hugely interesting to talk about Africa. And one thing that Akon said really sort of resonated with me was, you know, Africans are entrepreneurs, and it's amazing. I've known many African entrepreneurs in my life, and they're so very inspiring. But Africans in Africa are very good at helping develop solutions, and those solutions spread virally into other countries, and other countries benefit. But there's not a lot of those innovations that spread virally and get adopted within Africa, and that's a big opportunity as well. So check out what Akon's doing, check out what M-KOPA and Jesse Moore's doing. That's super exciting for me. The future's Africa, and what's really interesting is a lot of the funding's coming directly from China initially, and China is beating out other parts of the world to really sort of own their portion in Africa's innovation and their future, which is indeed exponential.